Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, hello, welcome. My name is AbsolutelySha. Be sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel after you watch this video. And yeah, so today I am doing another unboxing of my Boxycharm subscription. So this would be December's Boxycharm. If you're new to my channel or if you never heard of Boxycharm before, it's a makeup monthly subscription service. So each and every month they send you full size products. So I personally think it's a very good deal. I have in fact been a member of Boxycharm. It's so hard for me to remember. I want to say maybe it might be going on 2 years now. I'm not exactly sure, but I have been with them for a while and I really enjoy the service. I think it's a really good deal. I pay about $22 a month, and each and every month I get some really good full-size items. So in my hand right here, I have my December box. So I'm very excited to see what's inside. I don't remember exactly what it is that I'm getting. I don't even look at the sneak peeks. I know when I was first trying to become a member with them, because it was a long waiting list. I'm not sure how it is now because like I said, I've been with them for a while, but there was a long waiting list and I would look each and every month at the sneak peeks to see what they were getting, because I was just like, oh, I want to get that's so bad. So once I got on the subscription, once I got off the waiting list, I don't even check anymore to see what's coming each and every month. I kind of like to be surprised and just see what it is that I get. Yeah, so I have a cold and my throat is like killing me. So if I don't seem, really excited and thrilled, I am. It's just that I'm really, really trying to fight this cold, because who wants to be sick when it's almost Christmas? Anyway, so I am going to go ahead and open up my box and let's see what I got this month. Now, the thing with Boxycharm is that I know they have since like upgraded and they have different sort of boxes now that you can get. I'm just still with the regular schmegular. I just get the box that they started out with when they start. I just get the regular monthly subscription, but they have so much different types of boxes now. Yeah, so you can go to their website, you can check them out. I think there's a referral link that every member gets, so I'll leave mine in the description box below and you can check it out and see what they have to offer. So anyway, let me jump right into it. So this is the nice postcard that comes with it. So this month's theme is Boxycharm Whimsy is what it is. And on the back, it lists everything that came in the box and the retail value for it. So I'm just gonna grab and tell you what it is I got. So the very first thing that I see is, it's by, is it Ciati London Marble Light. It's an illuminating blusher is what I got. So let me take it out of the box so you can see really quick what it looks like. So, oh, it comes in cute little packaging. This is so pretty. And let me open it up. So it's a marble blush that I got. And let me tell you the retail value of this. So this is $26 for this, $26. Not bad. All right, the next thing I got is Elamis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. Ooh, I've always wanted to try one of those rose. They have so many things with like rose water, rose, like this rose facial oil. So I'm excited to have this because I definitely will try this out. So this is how it looks. And let's see what the retail value of this is. So it is the Elamis Pro Collagen. Oh my word. So this is $79. $79, and I pay only roughly $22 a month I pay to get these items. And this alone is $79. So already, again, a really, really good deal. All right, the next thing I have is Pro Series Brush Cleaner and Conditioner. Oh my gosh, I need this so much. I kid you no lie. If I was to take you in my bathroom right now, you would see a ton of brushes that I need to clean. The thing I like about Boxycharm is that they do send you brushes quite often. So I do have like a plethora of brushes. I have a lot of clean ones, but then I also have a lot of dirty ones that I need to clean. I am so happy to use this. Really, really am. So this is a brush cleaner, and this is retail value is $12 for this. So $12. I'm really, really happy to have this. I use the e.l.f. Brush cleaner, which is really, it seems to do a pretty good job. Excuse me. But yeah, I'm excited about that one. And this right here is Brow Bar True Brow Makeover Kit. So this is an item for my eyebrows. I really, really want to like do my makeup and kill it. And I just don't feel like I'm doing that great with it. All right, so this is the packaging that it comes in. It's pretty. And this, it says True Glam Brow Makeover Kit Dark. So I know with Boxycharm you do fill out like a profile for yourself. So this is probably why I got the dark. So it comes with, I don't want to, okay, this is how it comes. So it has the different colors there. And then it also comes with this, which I'm assuming is most likely it's the gel. And then it comes with the brush. So yeah, I'm excited about using that. But again, like I said, I am not the best when it comes to, I don't even know how to close the thing back. When it comes to like my brows, my makeup, like I really, like I said in another video, I really, really do love makeup, and I just want to become like really, really good at it. Not to practice makeup. Like I don't want to become a makeup artist. I just want to be able to do my makeup like really, really good. Anyway, so the retail value of this is $30. So the retail value of this is $30. And let's see what else. I think I just have one more item in here. Yes, I do. Just one more. So this, it says, is Fairy Tales Storybook Cosmetics. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is so freaking cute. It literally looks like a little book. This is adorable. And let's open it up. Oh, this is just so precious. Look at this. This is so cute. So, so cute. So I have eyeshadow that I received, and it says Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tales Little Red Riding Hood Palette. So this is Little Red Riding Hood Palette. This is so cute. And the retail value of this is $35. So yeah, there you have it. That is what I received this month in my Boxycharm book. I said book. In my Boxycharm box. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 items. I only paid $22 for all of these full size items, which I think is pretty awesome. So $22, and collectively it's probably over $100 worth of items that I got. So I think it's a really good deal. Christmas is just right around the corner, so this would be, I think if you have like a makeup lover or a makeup enthusiast in your family, this would be like the perfect subscription to get for them. I pay monthly, but I think they also have like a yearly one. You can just pay a flat fee for a year. But I think it would be a really cool, awesome Christmas gift for someone that like absolutely loves makeup. And for me, I just like to try different products, become aware of different other brands that are out there. So I absolutely love BoxyCharm. But yeah, so I just wanted to share with you guys what I got this month in my BoxyCharm box. I am headed out to run errands as usual because it's the weekend and that's the only time I have time to do things. So I will catch you all in my very next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I wish you all a very, very awesome day. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.